The shoebill, Balaeniceps rex, also known as the whale-headed stork, and the shoe-billed stork, is a large, long-legged wading bird. It takes its name from its large, shoe-shaped bill. Its overall shape is somewhat stork-like. And it was previously classified with the storks in the order Syconiiformes based on this morphology. However, genetic evidence places it with the pelicans and storks in the pelicaniformes. It lives in tropical East Africa in large swamps from South Sudan to Zambia. Shoebills are either stand and wait or wade-walking hunters. Shoebills hold their beaks vertically downward so as not to obstruct their binocular vision. Prey detection appears to be visual, but hearing has also been shown to be useful. The shoebill is a tall bird with a typical height range of 110 to 140 centimeters, 43 to 55 in, and some specimens reaching 152 centimeters, 60 in. The tail-to-bill length can range from 100 to 140 centimeters, 39 to 55 in, and the wingspan is 230 to 260 cm, 7 feet 7 inches to 8 feet 6 inches. Weight is reported to range from 4 to 7 kilograms. 8.8 to 15.4 pounds. A male will average about 5.6 kilograms, 12 pounds, and is larger than the female at 4.9 kilograms, 11 pounds, 19. The species' distinctive feature is its large, rounded bill, which is straw-colored with irregular grayish markings. The exposed culmen, or measurement along the top of the upper mandible, is 18.8 to 24 centimeters. 7.4 to 9.4 in. The third longest bill among extant birds after pelicans and great storks, and may outshine pelicans in bill circumference, especially if the bill is considered to be the hard, bony keratinized portion.